Hello everyone. Microsoft Excel is a very good software by which you can store your database and you can add formula. So if you learn it well, then you can do jobs too. And there are lots of freelancing jobs available in the freelancing websites. So if you learn it, you will not regret. You will get something. So to learn it properly, you should do a course locally or find materials on the internet. In internet, most of the time you will not get full material for free. But I know a video course which describes how can you learn Excel properly. Most probably you have to buy it, but you will not regret it. So look in the description of this video. I put the link there and give it a try. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.